Hello. You're
Another Boba and blind box today.
Ooh, yay.
We went to Tea by Dough in Bellevue and got their drinks. They're really cute little panda logo. Look at that. It says Hi Seattle. It's their first Seattle location. So cute.
Throughout the world.
And then I got the oolong milk tea with soybean cheese foam. And it was really good.
Okay.
Sis got.
I got mango pomelo sago.
Yep.
It was also really good.
Good.
Standard. Okay.
Alright, now here are the blind boxes. We don't only have 3 this time. We got 2 of the Lulu Pig Lululand edition ones. And then we have one Mr. Paw Car of Easy Career.
Oh.
Yep. This one's gonna be interesting.
Okay.
Alright.
Which one should we do first?
We can do the double first.
Okay.
We can look. We can see what are the options, and then sis can choose.
Okay, let's see. Magical unicorn, symbol monkey, adventure king, selfie wheel, balloon clown, fantasy carousel, shooter, balloon parade, and then the specials are the special is sweet hub, and the secret is park train. I think for me, I'm gonna go with monkey since I'm a monkey.
The symbol monkey.
Yes.
I'm surprised that you chose that one. Let's see. I kind of want the balloon parade. Yeah. Or the secret, the park train.
Yeah.
Because it's in a Spam can.
Yes.
That's always my favorite.
That's cute.
Alright, you go first, sis.
Park train is cute.
Yeah.
Might do selfie wheel. No.
Selfie wheel.
Yes. Maybe. Okay. Are we choosing 2 or just 1?
You can choose as many as you want.
Okay. Monkey and selfie wheel. Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
It's been a while.
It's been a while. It's been a long while.
Okay, look at the card.
Oh, that's just the stand. Does it feel like any one of them?
Feels like it could be all of them.
Good. Good chances of everything.
Yeah, I can't tell.
Alright.
Oh.
I
I want to say it's like a clown feel.
clown. Oh, it's the carousel. That's cute. Carousel.
Okay.
Yeah, fantasy carousel.
Okay. Cute.
That's cute.
Well, this is, yeah, I feel like they're all going to be really cute too.
Oh, the card. Fantasy carousel. That's a nice card. Laminated card. Okay.
See why I haven't put.
Alright. Why do they just pop off like that?
Okay. It's not me.
Okay. The stand again.
How do you feel?
Ooh, it has a... Ooh, I think this might be the one you want. The selfie wheel?
Oh.
Maybe? Or the shooter.
Or the shooter. Okay.
Whatever it is.
Okay. Let's go to the balloon parade or the park train. Sis wants those. Cool. Oh.
So many pieces.
Okay, there's like tin cans.
Oh, maybe it is the
Shooter.
shooter? Yeah.
Oh. That was cute.
It's like the, windy day in Seattle. Even though it's not Seattle, but...
Oh.
How cute!
That is cute.
So adorable. So adorable.
Open
Should we
the rest.
assemble?
Assemble.
We can assemble, yeah.
Okay. Let's do it.
Look at this. So cute. Yeah. So here we go. This is the can. Lulu the Pig with the ball.
Colorful
So
balls.
cute. Look at that.
It has a pouch or a backpack or a bag.
Or a camera?
Camera.
I cannot tell what it is. Yeah.
Alright.
Adorable.
Oh.
Last but not least is the Mr. Paw. Mr. Paw. Car of Easy Careers. You got Fireman Paw, Taxi Paw, Delivery Paw, Sailor Paw, Waiter Paw,
Oh.
School Bus Paw, Policeman Paw, Nurse Paw, and a
Nurse.
secret. Show you guys. That's the options.
Yes.
Which one do you like, sis?
I kind of like Sailor Paw. Waiter Paw is kind of funny.
Waiter Paw is nice too.
Or Delivery Paw is cute too.
Mm-hmm.
And the Policeman Paw. How are you, sis?
Delivery and school bus and waiter. I don't know what the secret is, but
Yeah, I can't really guess by the silhouette. Okay, let's do this. Car of Easy Career.
car.
So bold.
I can't tell what it is because they're all cars. Pink.
It's pink.
I think it's the nurse. This is ambulance on there.
I mean, sis is in the medical field, so
Does that count? I don't wanna.
oh. Sis loves cars. Oh,
I love cars.
This is so cute.
This is Mr. Paw as a nurse. Nurse on top of the car. Oh, it's magnetic. So it just stays on the car like that.
That's cute.
I love cars, but it's pink.
No, you love this one too. It's cute.
So it's like, you gotta love this one. Oh no, the tomato can.
It's windy today.
It's windy. Oh, this is cute. I like it.
Yeah.
But it's pink. This is like, you have to like it. You in the medical field.
Yes.
You gotta like it.
Big heart, you know. Big heart.
Yes. Aw, that's adorable though.
It is. Aw,
I like it.
Mr.
Oh my gosh.
What happened? It lights
It's like
up.
EKG.
Whoa.
It's like a medical
Oh, that's so cool.
in the back. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of faint.
Light, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, see? Only sis would know. EKG.
I'm not a nurse either.
EKG.
It's an EKG though. Oh, it's cute.
Yeah, it doesn't fall off.
It doesn't fall off. I was like, how is it gonna stay
Right?
on top?
I know. I was like, is it gonna like,
Right?
you have to shove him on the car?
Shove him on the car. Nope, it just magnetically stays.
Yay.
Like that. So adorable. Oh,
Okay.
all right.
Woohoo.
Now that
That's
ends
it.
our Blind Box and Boba part 6, I think.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
I think we still have some more coming, but I think that will be the last of
Countdown.
the blind boxes for now until we find new ones.
Right.
All right.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. See you guys soon.
Bye.